Hi everybody, thank you for clicking onto this video. Viibeauts here, and today I'm going to be showing how I coloured my hair from, well, this hair that I have in now, from jet black to this red. I did not use bleach at all, so this video is going to be a voiceover. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on my next video. So starting off, I'm just taking out all my bundles. I got these bundles from AliExpress in the lengths 220s, 18, 16 and a 14-inch closure, and these bundles are body wave. In this video, I'm not going to be showing how I make my actual wig. I'm just going to show how I colour my hair from black to red without bleach. But if you want to know how I make my wigs step by step, I did do a video on that already, so I will leave a link down below. So instead of bleaching my hair, I will be using the Cream of Nature box dye in the colour lightest blonde, and I did get 5 boxes of this box dye. Here I'm just opening up my bundle and also the box dye, and in the box dye it will give you a cream developer, the hair colour, and also a high lift booster. High lift booster is basically what makes your hair go blonde really quick, and also a conditioner. The high lift booster only comes in this Cream of Nature box dye in the colour lightest blonde. So here I'm just mixing the developer and the colour together and adding the lift booster also. And here I'm just mixing it up. You want to make sure you're wearing the gloves because this product does go everywhere. And just so you know, it did go a little bit on my top, so my top did change a little bit of colour, but it doesn't matter. So here I'm just opening up my bundle so it can be easier to spread the colour. To spread the colour, I did brush it in. You can either brush it in with your hands or you can just use a comb, but I just wanted to get it on every strand of hair. So this product works really quick. Whenever I do this method, it always works. This was after around 3 minutes. It was already going light, especially with the root lifter. It goes like really quick. Don't worry if it goes like really quick. You don't have to watch it all the time the way you would with bleach. Even if it's on like for a long time, it won't make your hair dry. So here I'm using my second box dye. I did 2 bundles with 1 box dye, so a lot of product is inside. So I'm just mixing the product together. So that was already 3 bundles done, and I used around 1.5 of a box dye. So these are all my bundles done. I'm just gonna wrap them up with some foil and just leave it there for a few minutes while I move on to my closure. And for the closure, because I wanted to keep my roots black, I'm going to split the hair, do a parting in the hair, and then add some product, do a parting again, and add a little bit more product. I'll also be brushing it in with my hands, but mostly with the comb, so that it can give you that kind of highlight effect and it will just look more natural. That's the closure done. I'm just gonna brush the product all in, and again just wrap it with some foil again. This is the closure after around 5 minutes. I'm just gonna leave it for a little bit more while I go and wash out my bundles with shampoo. So for my red, I'm using the Live Intense color in the color Real Red, and I got 5 boxes of this. So just like the Cream of Nature, it has the developer, the color, and also a conditioner, but I didn't use this conditioner. So again, I'm just mixing the developer and the color together. This box dye doesn't have a lot of product in, so just make sure that you get enough box dyes. I had 4 bundles altogether, and I also got 5 boxes. So for example, if you had 3 bundles, get at least 4 boxes, because it doesn't have as much as the Cream of Nature does. I'm just spreading it onto my handle and just brushing it all in, just making sure that it goes on every strand of hair. So that's all my bundles done. I'm just gonna wrap it with foil and just leave it there. Now back to my closure. The closure didn't go as light as I wanted it to, so I'm gonna go back in with the Cream of Nature box dye in the color Lightest Blonde and just go over it again. I'm just wrapping it up with foil again, and I left it there for another 5 to 10 minutes and just washed it out with some shampoo and just blow dried it. It doesn't have to be really dry, it can just be still wet. It will still work even though it is a little bit wet. So I'm going in again with the Live Intense color, and I'm putting that onto the closure. So this is all my bundles done. I'm just putting a little bit more product onto it, and then I'm gonna wrap it up with some foil. Just leave it. I left it there for around 30 to 40 minutes, and I just put it into a bag and just left it. And after around 40 minutes, I just washed it, bundles and closure, all out with shampoo and blow dried it. And that was basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. Let me know if you try this method, and like the video, comment down, subscribe to my social media as well, and I'll see you on my next video.